I still got the pheasant. I'm shaking so much I can't. I'm shaking so much I can't stand myself. There I go. That's my pheasant and the birds. I got them really close. Pheasants, squirrel. Because I'm excited because I got them close. And my hands get to shaking. But there's my pheasant. Gotta try to talk low. There's a pheasant. That's in my yard, right across from the house. That is so weird. There's a squirrel somewhere. I don't know what a squirrel is. Anyway, there's the pheasant. He done came over this way. There's a squirrel. Pheasant eating together. There's squirrels. Birds. So many of them. Back over here. See where my pheasant is. That's my pheasant. Pheasant. Okay, he's going back over there for some reason. He's running the birds away. He wants everything for himself. See that? This will make a good one if I can get it off of here. So he's digging down in the ground because I put a lot of bird feed out there yesterday. And then it snowed about 2 or 3 inches above it, maybe more. So he digs down in to get to the feed. That is really, really wonderful. I'm actually getting this thing. Mm-hmm. This is awesome to be able to get it. Now he's walking back over to the tree. I'm not sure what he's doing. Okay, there he comes. Back around. And his purpose is to run the, well, he's coming this way. I better not move. Did he change though? They got things on there. I don't know. I got some type of nervousness that caused me to shake a little, but the people got something that stops all that, at least most of it. But this is something good to catch, however I can catch it. And I'm looking out my side window. He's in my yard. He's having a good time. That pheasant is. And what he's actually done has ran the